Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Let's face it, if you're doing anything online, you need a secured cloud storage platform to store, manage, and share your business files at a single place. Whether you're an e-com business owner, an email marketer, an affiliate marketer, a product creator, a SaaS owner, a webinar presenter, an info product owner, or anyone else working in the digital marketing universe, you can't ignore the huge worth of having a trustable cloud storage platform at any cost. So if you're too sick and tired of paying monthly subscriptions to cloud storage solutions like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, etc., which have tons of limitations and restrictions, who don't understand your business and block the growth of your business, or if you're blocking the growth of your own business and not using cloud storage due to monthly charging services, then I've got some great news for you today. Introducing PrimeCloud AI. Next generation Google Drive killer technology lets you store, backup, share, and host unlimited files, images, videos, and audios in the cloud at lightning fast speed for an unbeatable one-time price. PrimeCloud AI saves you hundreds of dollars a year in cloud storage fees while providing a better, faster, more marketer-friendly service than Google Drive or Dropbox. And PrimeCloud AI is the only platform that allows you to upload and manage unlimited video, images, audios, and documents in seconds, back up all your files so you will never have fear of losing them ever again. Revolutionary compression algorithm makes upload and download super fast and storage a breeze. Kick out expensive and money-sucking third-party cloud storage platforms forever. Get started with your storage journey at the lowest one-time cost. Doubles up as a cloud drive for easy use and collaboration. Auto storage expansion as per usage. One-click third-party sharing enabled. 100% protection of data with free end-to-end SSL encryption. Keeping your website graphics, videos, and data secure using our super hosting feature. Directly deliver content from the cloud on the website. Designed to perfection for beginners to make instant profits. Limited time commercial license included to provide high in-demand services to hungry clients. No recurring fee or success tax, and a lot more. All this and more for a low one-time fee. When you have PrimeCloud AI, next generation cloud storage platform, No monthly subscription plans. No restriction or limitation on uploading files. No limitations on any number of files you upload. No fear of account suspension. And here's the coolest part. You're also getting a limited time commercial license to provide red-hot services to hungry business owners and charging reoccurring fees for your services. Finally, you can say goodbye to all money-sucking third-party cloud storage platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive Cloud, etc. once and for all. Along with this, there are no hassles like paying huge monthly subscription plans, facing restriction or limitation on uploading files, losing data while uploading or downloading, having limitations on any number of files you upload, worrying about the fear of account suspension. Using PrimeCloud AI is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, log in. Step 2, upload documents. Step 3, share, publish, and profit. PrimeCloud AI is designed for anyone who likes to be in full control of their files and videos, but at the same time hates complicated software. It's for you if you simply don't want to pay extra for storing extra data, want to build something uncomplicated which grows and makes you more and more as it does. It's for you if you're sick and tired of paying monthly subscriptions for storage and hosting platforms in return for mediocre support and massive downtimes. Take my word, if you're tired of going nowhere and want to take complete control of your business, if you're conscious of losing your valuable data, then PrimeCloud AI is happy ending for your constant search. But I'm sure all these benefits will have left you amazed. But hurry, don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting your money and time and tools that simply don't work as. Your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. The only thing remaining is to go ahead and take action, and we're giving tons of bonuses only if you grab your copy today. But hurry, once this special time period gets over, PrimeCloud AI will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So stop thinking and grab PrimeCloud AI today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Good luck and see you on the inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.